In order to set up appointment reminders for your patient with their name highlighted, you're under the information page. Make sure that you click the edit button so this page is now open, and then you can indicate whether they want an email or a text appointment reminder by marking the box. It will then open up and let you know how many hours ahead that you want the patient to receive the reminder. So you fill that in for how many hours ahead you want the reminder to go out. This green plus button is going to show you where you can put in a custom message that will go out on the email reminder. Same thing with the text, how many hours ahead. Click that, and then you can put in here your template of what you want to go out to them, where you can use these different placeholders and be able to indicate in here what you want your message to say. And if you use the placeholder type information like here, it will then automatically fill in their correct information when you go and indicate it this way. And that will be what will be sent out in the text prior to their appointments. A phone call is coming soon, is not currently available, so do not mark that. It is not available at this time.